Another day, another dollar, and I'm hungry for some bread. So let's get it. So today, we're pretty behind, alright? And this is the trade. This is the current stats. Alright. So we need to change this. A lot of it. It's not really pleasing. But that's what's up. Because hold on. Because what happens, right? We make a profit. For example, what instance? Okay, let's come here. I don't think it's gonna show, right? But we make and then lose it back. We make and then lose it back. We make and then lose it back. So I need to change the ratio, because you see here, this at one time it had gone up to what? How much was that? About $80. Right, after coming from like a negative 150, understand, and then went back up to like 5 or 0 something, and then went back to 50, and then now we're back at 5. All right, so we need to change a lot of stuff. I guess be patient with the market more, you know, take a great look and analyze the market instead of taking more. See, this is not really pleasing right here. Instead of taking more, and the win rate is like 20%. Crazy. Loss rate 80. This has to change. Profit factor 1:12. I don't know what that means. Best trade. You see what I'm saying? We go up, like it goes up, and then we lose that back, and then you look right there. You know, right? I'll change it right now. We missed a trade. Let me show you. We missed this buy. I saw it, right? But I was just like, you know what? I was just like, nah, I'll wait. From right there. Right there. I saw it when it went over here, and I was just like, nah, wait, let's see what happens. And then the market just proceeded to go over. This would have been a plus 100. You see, so how patience it is, and now there's no more entries. As you can see right there, there's no place where we can enter. To like, oh, let's enter again. You know, we missed it basically. It flew, man, but can work around it. Unless this can be the order block, though. You know, we enter when it comes back to retest to this area, at least that level. But it's also too big. I won't enter there. It's what? Nah, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. On the 5 minute, this is what we have. So it could, right? It could, but you see, once it starts consolidating, the likelihood that this might push it back up, I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see.
The next day.
Another day, another dollar, and I'm hungry for some bread, so let's get it. So today, what we have, it's a bullish gold, bro. I trust gold is going to be bullish right now, and this is what I'm looking for, right? So I'm looking for a drop from, so this is a change of character. Let me just highlight it for you. That's my change of character and my sweep of liquidity right there. Alright, and my liquidity sweep right there. Alright, and then this is the order block I want price to draw down to. Alright, so it comes, retest my that area, come down there. Alright, and so change of character. So now the market has to retest downwards, you know, and then Yeah, my entries. I already entered, right? Because the market might just actually drop, because I just realized right here in between this level that the market respected a fair value gap right here, you see, and then this candle right there entered the fair value gap, hence that drop right there in the consolidation. So that's why I'm kind of like skeptical. All right, but otherwise we have an order block right there, and this order block, that's where the market might actually come back to and proceed to drop further to the area we want. All right, which is about like, which is something like this. So now one of two things can happen. All right, one of two things, either this, okay, or just a straight down move from there. Gold can do it, bro. This is gold at the end of the day. So we'll see. That's basically what I'm waiting for. All right, but then if you go on the 5 minute, if you go on the 15, okay, let's work it down. All right, so in that order block we see it, and then if you go on the 15 minute, you see that there's a fair value gap right there, and then you go on the 5 minute, there's an order block right there. All right, so this is something interesting. So something like this, okay. Now I'm sure you can clearly see the order block. All right, so it's something like that we want to see in gold right now. All right, but we'll wait. So I'll highlight that and then go back on the 30 minute and still be aware that there's this 30 minute order block, you see. And it left a fair value gap, but then the fair value gap was already tested. So the fact that it can still come, I don't know, but that's why I said I already entered, just so I'm not left out in the move, okay. But this is something I actually wanted to come to the order block, to be honest. I actually do. I actually wanted to test that order block, to be honest. But as for now, this is fine. The consolidation is playing around, but hey, we'll wait. And then right at this 4 hour order block, I'm looking to buy, and I'm buying hard. That'll be a buy swing. That'll be actually a place I'll try buy swing, but otherwise this is it. Okay, so we've just been ticked in right now. You see how sniper that thing was. So now just a game of patience. There's nothing we can do now. Now what we do is wait and we write it down until 2030, I think. And the take profit is about $200, so that's alright. Nothing can do now but wait. Yeah, surprise, man.